How to create a new project in Microsoft Whiteboard. In this video, I'll show you how to create new project in Microsoft Whiteboard. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft Whiteboard. So go ahead and click on this Open Whiteboard button, and that will take you to Microsoft Whiteboard. So from here, click on this new whiteboard button to create a new project in Microsoft Whiteboard, and that will redirect you into your plain canvas. So from here, you can go ahead and select project planning under the templates tab, and then from the project planning tab, go ahead and select a template that you want to use. So you can also use other templates in here if that would fit more your project planning style, and then click on this use template button and drag it into the area where you want to place it. And then from here, you can go ahead and move around by clicking on this hand icon. And then if you click on the select icon, you can go ahead and select items on your whiteboard. So once you click on that pen icon above the note that you have on your whiteboard, you can go ahead and type in the details of the project. So you can use the Venn diagram to add the differences between the project and the inspiration that you have in mind and the commonalities of each of the items in the middle. So you can add the subject name at the top right as well. And if you want to link each note, you can go ahead and draw lines in between the notes. So that is how you can basically create new project in Microsoft Whiteboard. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.